is Python fundamentals. First, we will study about variables. So, what are variables? Variables are used to store values like texts, numbers, and other such values. Now, there are some data types for variables. So, data types can be string, which saves text data. It can be integers, which saves whole numbers. It can be float, which can save decimal numbers, or boolean, which can save either true or false. Type checking is used to show us the data type. We can do this by using the syntax print type and the variable name within brackets. Type conversion is used for converting one type of data type, one type of variable into another data type. For example, if we want to convert age into integer, we can use age equals to int of input enter age. We will come to the input syntax later on. So here what is happening is the user enters the age in string format, which gets converted into integer and gets stored in the age variable. So in the previous slide, I was talking about the input. Input is used for taking user input during runtime. So if we want to save a variable value, if we want to save a value inside a variable, during the runtime, we can use this input syntax. And print is used for displaying the output. We will do now, we are going to create a program that stores name, marks, percentage, and then we can print them. So we create a file called variables1. We can create three variables: name, marks, and percentage. So percentage also we can keep it inside quotes to be treated as a text. If we write the print statement in this way using commas, everything will be printed next to each other.